This is Talk to KEDI, sharing knowledge, liberating minds. Hello there, how are you doing today? And thank you so much for joining us on yet another edition of your number one educative online broadcast, Talk to KEDI. Our topic of today is all you should know about KEDI Ginseng Coffee. In other words, we'll be talking exhaustively about the futures, the uniqueness, and the health benefit of KEDI Ginseng Coffee. I am Felix Adedoyin. Stay glued, and it is time for us to learn. With me in the studio today is one of our dynamic lecturer, an erudite scholar, a passionate network marketer, and a seasoned TCM consultant. Is no other person than our amiable Dr. John Kolawole Cole. Thank you so much for joining us in the show today.
Thank you.
Can you please introduce yourself?
My name still remains the same, Cole John Kolawole. I'm from Ekiti State. Before this wonderful company, I've done series of things. So I'm looking for how I can change my life. But to God be the glory, I found this wonderful company. And within a short moment, my life has been transformed. If I can do it, every other person can do better. Thank you.
Wow, you've heard it from him. And I can assure you, I'm pretty sure that at the end of this broadcast, you will learn one thing or two from his wealth of clinical experience. All right. In case you're tuning in for the first time, this is Talk to KEDI. This is Talk to KEDI. I say again, you're welcome once again to Talk to KEDI. It's your number one educative online broadcast, brought to you from the stable of KEDI Healthcare Industries Nigeria Limited. We are the leading provider of quality healthcare products and equipment nationwide. You are welcome on board. Stay connected. In May 2024, the company introduced an elder drink, a unique beverage to its line of elder drink. That's KEDI Ginseng Coffee. And shortly after that, we created series of activity to launch this product. After the launching ceremony was done, then shortly after that one, series of training was set out. We kickstarted a special monthly training across all our training centers. The training is just to equip people with knowledge, those who want to know more about KEDI Ginseng Coffee. This training started in June. The first edition was in June, and the second edition was in July. Then the last edition is coming up in August. In case you have missed out in any of this edition, whether the June edition or the July edition, please kindly avail yourself with the August edition. After the product launch, thousands of people has made KEDI Ginseng Coffee their to-go beverage. In essence, but we discover that many people still do not know more about KEDI Ginseng Coffee, which is why this edition, which is the essence of this particular edition. We will be taking our time to dish out everything that you must know about KEDI Ginseng Coffee. So this is the time for us to grab our notepad, take your pen, and let's learn together. But before we dive into that, if you have used our KEDI Ginseng Coffee ever since the launching, if you have peradventure tasted this ginseng coffee, I want you to go straight to the comment section and share with us your experience. We would like to hear from you. And peradventure, just as question, if you have any question whatsoever about KEDI Ginseng Coffee or any other of our products, please feel free to drop your comment, to drop your questions in the comment section. And before the end of this broadcast, I can assure you that we're going to do justice to it. Thank you so much once again. Right now, doctor, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready for us?
Very ready.
Hope the seat is not hot.
No.
All right. Yeah, doctor. I know you are a KEDI Ginseng coffee lover,
Yeah.
and you have replaced your regular beverage with this amazing product. I would like you to share with us your experience so far of KEDI Ginseng Coffee.
Okay, thank you. My experience so far with this wonderful product, from the first day I tasted this product, I fell in love with this wonderful product, and a lot of experience has emerged ever since then. Firstly, as a daily ritual, that is one of my experience. When I say daily ritual, that means I enjoy taking this wonderful product as a pick me up every morning. If I should miss my morning pick me up, then I will take it as a what afternoon boost to boost my energy. And secondly, in terms of what flavor exploration, I haven't tested many coffee beans. Our KEDI Ginseng coffee is exceptional. And in terms of what sensory delight, savoring this wonderful product gives me a kind of what a delight in terms in my sensation. I'm telling you, and in terms of social connection, I with this product I can connect my family and friends together. In fact, we have a strong bond and a what and a memory. And also, this one, my experience in this wonderful product, in terms of what experimentation, I prepare this product in various ways, hot, cold, even in my own what personal style. And also this wonderful product gives me what joy and comfort in terms of what challenges. I just take the product and I get my what I get concentrated and focused. Thank you.
Thank you, doctor. You have heard it from doctor. He enjoys taking KEDI Ginseng Coffee. It has been a source of inspiration to him, and he does that every day. It has become a ritual, so much that there is no time he misses out from taking KEDI Ginseng Coffee. Doctor, if you agree with me, many people take coffee to stay awake and to be active. I believe you agree with me.
Yes.
And this is the main essence that made KEDI, the management of KEDI Industries Nigeria Limited, to bring forth this product. And rather than just having caffeine in the product, the management ensure that ginseng is added to our own special product. So I want to ask you, the addition of caffeine and ginseng, how effective it is in this product in boosting energy. How effective is the addition of caffeine and ginseng is?
Thank you. Is a what? Is a great effect for what? For caffeine and ginseng coming together. I want us to understand that ginseng is adaptogenic in nature. And these adaptogenic properties, when it complements the stimulating effects of caffeine, it gives double energy without the jitteriness often associated with what taking a high dose of caffeine. It balanced the what the energy boosting. So now, in many times, when people take only coffee in essence, it can have what a lot of side effects. But this ginseng added to this coffee gives it a balance of what of energy. So thank you.
So the addition of ginseng with caffeine in this our product gives it a balance.
A balance.
And
Yes.
ensure that, okay, no matter how you take it, you are with the right dose.
Yes.
All right. Doctor, I know that there are so many instant coffee in the market today. So if we are to now compare KEDI Ginseng Coffee with these other brands that you have tried in the past, can you tell us 5 unique features in KEDI Ginseng Coffee? What makes it so distinct? Just give us 5 unique qualities of this product.
Thank you. I've experienced a lot of different kinds of brand outside there. Our KEDI Ginseng Coffee stands out. And one of the uniqueness of this product is that it is trusted quality product from KEDI brand. It is trusted. So this wonderful company cannot give us what is just common. They went into what series of research before they can come out with this fantastic product. And number 2, this wonderful product has low calories, low sugar, and no trans fats. And number 3, this product is finely grounded powder, dissolved instantly. And number 4, this wonderful product is easy to prepare in various ways. And number 5, this product gives double energy. That is the combination of coffee and ginseng. Thank you.
Thank you. I will go home with this one. It says this product gives double energy. It ensures that everything that you need, you start strong and you still finish strong. That is KEDI Ginseng Coffee. It has no calorie, no trans fat, low calorie and no trans fat. I can assure you that with KEDI Ginseng Coffee, your day is rest assured. Your day is going to be good. So, doctor, I know that many people don't drink coffee. You can agree with me that many people don't drink coffee because of its bitter taste. And then some of them prefer to just settle for things like tea or any other beverage, so to say. So for this group of people that we know, I know they are almost everywhere. For this group of people, how do you think our products, this KEDI Ginseng Coffee, can become their preferred beverage of choice?
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Firstly, I would like to start by saying that we need to understand that this is a new product in the market. So majority of people, they've not even heard of this product before, unlike the normal coffee outside there. So for us, for them to know more and to pick this product as their preferred beverage over others, they need to understand the contents of the product in terms of what the coffee, the caffeine, the ginseng added to the product. So we need to give them the information that this is a product that is not made only of what? Of coffee beans, but added with ginseng. And this is a product that has what? 3 premise in terms of what? Coffee, sugar, and milk. And unlike other beverage or coffee outside there, they are bitter. But with this wonderful brand, it is not. It has what? A hint of bitterness and also earthly sweetness. So thank you.
All right. So KEDI Ginseng Coffee is not outrightly bitter. It is a mix of those 3 components. There is milk, there is sugar, and ginseng is also there to give you double energy as well as the caffeine. So you can know that for this group of people, all we need to do is just to go out and educate them, sensitize them, let them know more about KEDI Ginseng Coffee. And from there, once they see it and they test it, then they will know that indeed KEDI Ginseng Coffee is Baba. Haha, like I said, KEDI Ginseng Coffee, what is Baba, is the best of the best. So, doctor, even though we understand the fact with all this we have been saying that KEDI Ginseng Coffee is a product par excellence, and you cannot just take as much as you want because here is fine. It is very good. It has all that. It is instant and everything. We can't just take anything as we want. we all know that it has its own daily consumption limit. So for caffeine and ginseng that is added into it, I'm quite sure also that it has its own standardized daily consumption limit. So can you tell us more about this consumption limit? Just educate us the more about it.
Thank you.
Yes.
As far as this product is needed for our health benefits, we mustn't take it like water. Yes, there is a what limitation to it. There's a what standard recommendation for daily consumption. Now, the two most powerful ingredients in this wonderful product are the caffeine and the ginseng, which active ingredient is ginsenoside. So now, as for caffeine, the daily consumption for adults shouldn't exceed 400 milligram. 400 milligram. That is equivalent to what? 1 to 4 cup of coffee per day. As for ginseng, 200 to 400 milligram. 200 to 400 milligram. So the same equivalent to what? 1 to what? 5 cup of coffee every day.
Okay, all right. So, in case anyone now possibly exceed this daily consumption limit, that someone takes KEDI Ginseng Coffee and the person exceeds the daily consumption limit, and possibly the person starts experiencing some side effects, what can this person do?
Thank you. Actually, there is possibility of what exceeding the recommendation, and once you exceed it as a person, there are symptoms you will be experiencing, like what? Palpitation, heart racing, stomach upsets, and the likes. So immediately, if you should experience any kinds of symptom, the first step is to reduce your intaking, or you stop it. Stop the coffee intake completely, as the case may be. And the second step is to be hydrated. Take enough water to what? To burn out.
Balance it.
Yes, to urinate out the what? The caffeine. And the third is to take a walk. Just take a walk around to metabolize this what? This caffeine. And the other step is for you to look for a what? If possibly a medication that contains what? Vitamin B complex. That contains vitamin B complex. And I can assure you that within 4 to 6 hours, this symptom will subside. Thank you.
So within 4 to 6 hours, these symptoms is definitely going to subside.
Exactly.
But the first step is for the person to discontinue the usage of KEDI Ginseng Coffee as at that time.
Yes.
After then, you can take a walk and just metabolize things out, and before you know it, you'll be just fine.
Yes.
All right. So speaking of side effects that we are already on now, I know there are some set of people who should not take this ginseng coffee. Can you tell us who are those people? Can you just tell us about them? Who should not use KEDI Ginseng Coffee?
Number one, they are the pregnant women. Pregnant women should not take this wonderful product. Number two, the breastfeeding mothers shouldn't take this product. Number three, children below 14 years shouldn't take it. And also, high blood pressure, hypertensive patients shouldn't take this product. And somebody with type 2 diabetes shouldn't take this wonderful product. And somebody that's allergic to what? Allergic to some of the ingredients in this wonderful product. Like some persons are allergic to what? To sugar, to milk, even to coffee. Some persons are so sensitive to the ingredients in this wonderful product. So our body tells, once you take the wonderful product and you discover immediately, you stop it. So these are the set of people that shouldn't take, and people with taking what antidepressant medication, anti-anxiety medication should not take this wonderful product.
All right. So you have heard it from the doctor. If you are pregnant, please stay away from KEDI Ginseng Coffee. If you are taking antidepressants or any anti-relieving products, please and please do not take the KEDI Ginseng Coffee for now. Please do not take KEDI Ginseng Coffee for now. All right. I believe you are still learning one or two things from our doctor. So before I go to our comment section, I would like to ask doctor this last question. Doctor, some people do not take coffee because they feel it is too complicated. You understand? Some people even think of the stress of brewing the coffee and the entire process make it so huge a burden for them. So by some of them are already discouraged in taking the ginseng coffee. They don't want to take anything related to it at all because they can't just fathom making it, brewing it together, mixing it together. But I am very confident that KEDI Ginseng Coffee is instant, is quite easy to prepare. There is no hassle, there is nothing, it's just for you to just mix it together. I would like you to demonstrate to our viewers at home. Let them see how to prepare KEDI Ginseng Coffee. Maybe with that, majority will start loving this product the more. Can you please demonstrate to our audience?
Thank you. Firstly, most of our coffee we have in our country today, they are what? At the mobile shop. Instantly, they serve it there. So the process are done there. But unlike our KEDI Ginseng Coffee, is pre-mixed. All what you need is here, just easily. This is a sachet of the products. Just cut the tip. Cut it. Then the powder, make sure you pour it out to inside a cup. Then add little hot water, little. Then mix it thoroughly to dissolve within 2 to 3 seconds. Now it's dissolved. Then you can now add water, 150 ml to 200 ml. Okay, just add it according to your what, to your taste and to your preference. So the water shouldn't be much. If it is much, it will lose its taste. So just add little. You can be adjusting it according to what, to your taste. And note, don't dissolve with cold water. Don't dissolve with cold water. Use warm water or hot water. Okay. Then if you want to use it,
yes.
If you want to take it with cold water, you can put ice block. After dissolving it with little warm water, okay, you can add ice block, okay, and cover it for few minutes for the ice to dissolve. Okay. Then you are good to go. Yeah. Finally, you can take it, and you can also add other fruits or honey according to your taste, as you can see. Wow.
Doctor, yes, I don't want to enjoy it though.
It's a very what?
Wow. Okay. All right. We have seen what doctor has practicalized now. I believe you have heard it all from the ex practitioner himself. He has told us how beneficial KEDI Ginseng Coffee is and to our body. and how you can enjoy it per day, how you can make it your to-go beverage at all time. So after this broadcast, ensure to grab some bags for yourself. Just go to get some bags for yourself and your loved ones. This product is readily available in all our offices nationwide. And if you are not a KEDI distributor, do not worry. Just contact any KEDI distributor within your space, within your area. Contact them and get a bag for yourself so that you can enjoy the goodness and the magic of KEDI Ginseng Coffee. This is how our KEDI Ginseng Coffee is. It looks like this. And there we also have 20 sachets. 20 sachets of this inside this one bag. 20 sachets of this I'm holding is embedded in this one big bag. Aha. So if you're a KEDI distributor, you only need to just get this goodies for yourself for just 25,000 naira only. It goes for just 25,000 naira only. And the bonus value is 20. And the PV is, that's the point value, is 25. And you ask me, I'm not a KEDI distributor. How can I also enjoy this amazing product? Just with 30,000 naira only, you can avail yourself with this amazing product. Yeah, I can see our the comment section is buzzing with a lot of questions and contribution here and there. Right now, I will take a short breather and I'm going to take our questions one after the other. All right, Doctor, I believe you are ready to answer our viewers at home.
Yes.
All right. I have the first question here with me, and it says, is it advisable to take KEDI Ginseng Coffee on a daily basis? Just like we said earlier, you said yourself that it has become a ritual. Is it advisable?
Yes, it is advisable to take it on a daily basis, most especially for the young one, for we that are still young, for the young generation, because we need energy in our daily affairs. You see, in the world we find ourselves today, energy is needed. And may I tell you, you cannot achieve anything worthwhile without energy. So that is why you need it. When you take it, you'll be energized. You'll be focused. Some persons are so anxious of things to come. Take this wonderful product and your body will be calm and you will be able to focus and concentrate. And you have what? Your mental alertness will be so sharp. So that's more reason why it is advisable.
Okay, so Amarachi Azuna, doctor says it is advisable to take KEDI Ginseng Coffee on a daily basis. Just ensure you do not exceed the daily consumption limit. You have to take about 3 to 4 cups per day. After that, move to the next day so you can take it. All right. I also have another question from Michael Ian on our Facebook page. He says, can children take KEDI Ginseng Coffee?
I think I've said this earlier, that children below 14 years should not take this wonderful product. Remember, the content of this wonderful product is caffeine, and it boosts the energy. So children don't need such type of energy now. What do they want to use it for? Instead of that, we can substitute for juice, milk, and the likes for children. So children below 14 years should not take this one.
All right. So, Mr. Michael Ian, children below 14 years should not take our coffee. And as advice, you can substitute it for other drinks. For instance, we have Vika, we have multivitamin plus zinc. You can give it to your child and you can be rest assured that your child will be very, very active. He or she will still stay active with this. But once you cross the ladder of 14 years and above, you can begin to take KEDI Ginseng Coffee. Another question is from Muhammad Mikal on our Facebook page. It says, is taking caffeine not harmful to our health?
Thank you. Taking caffeine is not harmful in the sense that it's a natural stimulant is natural stimulants that stimulate the central nervous system, that is for the brain. And when we say the central nervous system, we talk about the brain and the spinal cord. So they send signal to the whole body. So taking it is not harmful, but taking it in excess beyond the recommended dosage for per day. When you take it, when you exceed the recommendation, that is when it becomes harmful. So taking it is not harmful.
Okay, so Mr. Mohammed, you have heard from the doctor, taking caffeine is not harmful because it is a natural stimulant. It is not harmful, but ensure not to exceed the daily recommendation limit that has been given to you, the daily consumption limit. Do not exceed it. Once you maintain this, then you can be rest assured that you are good at everything. So also, Mr. Sean Dave is another person that is asking a question, and he is also saying, doctor has already said it earlier. He says, what is the recommendation dose of this amazing tea? What is the recommendation dose for this amazing tea?
Thank you. You see, our body differs, and our body chemistry are not the same. So I can take a cup of what? Coffee, ginseng coffee, and be okay. And why other persons may take it and still not be okay until he or she take 3 to 4 cups. So now a sachet of this wonderful product can give you what? A cup of coffee. While to other person, a sachet can give you 2 cups. So based on your body, you know your body better than I do. So follow your preference, follow your body adjustments. So there is no a particular general answer to this, but do not exceed 5 cups a day.
All right, Mr. Sean Dave, you have been told by our doctor, do not exceed as he has actually said. But you know your body type. You know the number of dosage you can take, but the maximum is between 3 to 4 cups per day, but depending on how you prepare your own. But please do not exceed the daily recommendation. So also Mr. John Olubenga from Facebook page, he said, when is ginseng coffee best taken? He's asking you, doctor, you said it's a ritual for you, you take it all the time, but when is the best time to take this KEDI Ginseng Coffee?
There is no time you can take it, but don't take it before bed. You can take it before food in the morning. There are people that want, especially those that want to reduce their weight, for weight management, they take it on an empty stomach. Empty stomach. If you want to reduce your weight, you can take it as a before food early in the morning. But if you don't want to, you can take it after food. You can take it in the afternoon after your busy schedule, after you must have stressed yourself. So you can take it and you regain your body back. So, but don't take it before bed.
So don't, Mr. John, John Olubenga, don't take KEDI Ginseng Coffee before you go to bed. But it is advisable you can take it in the morning or in the afternoon. Or probably if you are yours is about weight management and co, you can take it before your breakfast, that is with an empty stomach. But the best time is either the morning or in the afternoon. But before bed, don't try it. Okay, another question is from Silaimont Ajoke Akintunde. She's asking us that, doctor, can someone with fibroid take KEDI Ginseng Coffee? Someone that is with fibroid. You know, we initially talk about those who should not take this one. And remember, pregnant women was there and some other people. But someone with fibroid, should the person take KEDI Ginseng Coffee?
Wow, that is a powerful question. Someone with fibroid may take it based on our body chemistry. but shouldn't stay long on it. Taking it daily. Remember, caffeine and what? And ginseng. These are the what ingredients embedded in this wonderful product. So a fibroid patient may take it, but that doesn't what affect. It doesn't affect his fibroid or not. So it doesn't take away the fibroid and it doesn't add more to the fibroid. So she may take it.
Okay, so Mrs. Salaimat Ajoke, you can, whether you are treating somebody, for this question you have asked us, for a patient that is with fibroid, you can take it, but do not be too much on it. Please and please, it is advisable to watch the way you do it. So also Princess Onena here on our Facebook page is also asking you, doctor, what is the difference between KEDI Ginseng Coffee and other brand? I guess he's still trying to ask you to make mention list for us the uniqueness that you explained earlier. So what let's make it more emphatic.
Okay.
What is the difference?
The difference between what KEDI Ginseng Coffee and other coffee is that the major difference is this: there is no ginseng in other words coffee outside there, no ginseng at all. And other coffee, you need to brew it, you need to cook it. Yes, you need to cook it, and unlike our products, KEDI Ginseng Coffee, you don't need that. As you've just seen, in just 3 seconds, you've prepared your what? Your KEDI Ginseng Coffee, unlike other coffee outside there. So, and that is the what? The difference between both, and the health benefits. Outside coffee offer you what? Only coffee benefits. But KEDI Ginseng Coffee offers you what? Double benefit of coffee and ginseng.
Okay, we've seen the difference between KEDI Ginseng Coffee and every other one. You can still, if you don't have anyone to stay with, just know that KEDI Ginseng Coffee gives you double energy. It boosts your energy. You start strong and you finish strong. So this is another question from Mrs. Tayo Adeonipekun on our Instagram page. This is one of our faithful followers at all times. She's asking us a question, sir. He says, can someone with insomnia take the coffee? Someone battling with insomnia. Can such a fellow take this coffee?
That is a very good question. Remember that our coffee has a stimulant called caffeine. So what does caffeine called? The work of caffeine in the body, it makes you stay awake. So you already has insomnia. Why taking what? The KEDI Ginseng Coffee again? You don't need to take it. So somebody battling with what? This problem shouldn't. I don't think the person should take this wonderful.
As we all know that, okay, insomnia is one of the sleeping disorder that some people battle with. So for you to take any ginseng coffee is definitely going to make you to stay awake. So rather than taking it, just stay away from it until this disorder is totally settled. So another question from Mr. Michael Inyang is saying, why there was a time when you explained to us those people that should not take KEDI Ginseng Coffee. He said you make mention of people with diabetes type 2. He's now asking you, why did you say people with diabetes type 2 shouldn't take KEDI Ginseng Coffee?
Thank you. Remember, I have received this question over and over again. And even some persons even showed me that it's written here that somebody with type 2 diabetes should not take it. What is written there is the risk of type 2 diabetes. So that means somebody, it will make you to what? Not to move to that level of having type 2 diabetes when taking this wonderful product. Not that somebody that already the type 2 diabetes is already, he or she is already battling with it. Now taking the product, it may shoot the blood because it makes the what? Insulin more sensitive with the product, with the caffeine there. So it is not advisable for type 2 diabetes to take this wonderful product. Okay. And also, the high blood pressure patients should not even try it. Okay. Try it to take this wonderful product. Okay. So,
all right, we have Eddie from the doctor himself. So he has explained to us, and I believe we should follow suit as he has explained. I can still see your questions are still coming in, but if you check the time, we don't really have much time with us. But if you're just joining us, this is Talk to KEDI, your number one educative online broadcast. Our guest today, Dr. John Kolawole, has done justice to all you should know about KEDI Ginseng Coffee. So, Doctor, thank you so much. And also to everyone, thank you so much for tuning in to today's broadcast. I will leave you with our Dr. Cap LT. And it says, there is nothing more blissful than starting your day with a cup of KEDI Ginseng Coffee. It is a sure recipe to a super productive day. I come again, it says, there is nothing more blissful than starting your day with a cup of KEDI Ginseng Coffee, because it is a super recipe, a sure recipe to a super productive day. On this note, we call it a day on this edition of your number one educative online broadcast, Talk to KEDI. I trust you have learned something in today's edition. And I believe with this that you have learned, majority of us, a lot of us that have so many questions about KEDI Ginseng Coffee, our questions has been tackled. And from now henceforth, we all will begin to use KEDI Ginseng Coffee. A special thanks to our amiable guest, Dr. John Kolawole Cole. Thank you so much for making our time to educate us today. I don't know whether you have a last word before we call it a day.
To my viewers, I want to encourage us that in a time like this, a closed mouth is a closed destiny. So we don't need to close our mouth despite the world's economic challenges. Let's go out and tell people about this wonderful product. They need it. They need it. They need it in their daily affairs. So when you do that, you get more success. You step up your business. We receive a drastical turnaround for good. And I'm looking forward to you so that we can meet at the beaches of success. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you. You have heard from Doctor again. So please and please kindly tell everybody to go out and know about this product. Tell them, educate them, and let them become a KEDI Ginseng lover. I can tell you with this, you can make it your best choice. And in case you joined this broadcast late, don't worry, don't fret. The full video will be on our Facebook page at KEDI Healthcare Industries. It will also be on our Instagram page at KEDI Healthcare _official. And also, you can check our YouTube channel at KEDI Healthcare. And if you're using our mobile care app, just check our KEDI Care app. There you will see the full video. Watch and share with your loved ones. And do not forget to join us in the next edition of Talk to KEDI, because it promises to be great. Till next time when I come your way, I remain Felix Adedoyin. Thank you so much. Bye for now.